Hey guys, welcome back.
I'm a monkey.
I'm gonna show you. Hey guys, welcome back. Me and my wrench monkey
I'm a monkey man.
are gonna show you how to remove the Stow and Go seats in our 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. So come on, let's go. Alright, so you only need a few tools to complete this job, believe it or not. Make sure you have a flathead screwdriver or something with a flat end like that, a 15mm socket, an 11mm socket, and then your extension sockets as well.
Pull this bad boy up. And then right under here, it's kind of hard to see, you get a couple tabs. That off. And then you can see right under here, there's a little plastic. I don't know if you can see it. Right under here, there's a little plastic tab. That's what holds this. So you gotta push it towards you or away from the seat. Pop that. And then all you got left is this little nut right there. And that's why I broke it loose, so you could just use your finger. And the reason why you're putting the seat up is to keep the spring from being tense with a strut, so it won't go popping up on you. Probably loosen it a little bit more than a quarter turn. Or if you got a wrench. Wrench works great too. There you go, 15's off. And you just give her a little tug.
So how heavy is that?
About 60 pounds?
60 pounds?
I'd say at worst. As you can see, this will take up a lot of space. Put them up on shelves, do whatever you want to do. But since you took that one out, you can put other stuff in here. Like a woman.
Or a hot tub. That works too.
Or a woman and a hot tub.
A woman in a hot tub and her monkey. So the whole reason why we decided to finally remove those Stow and Go seats is because we are taking a 2-week-long road trip across a decent portion of the country come May, and so we need to optimize space in this thing. So as you can see, there is a lot of space for a lot of things. Alright, so as you can see, it really only takes about 20 minutes to pop both of those seats out and make a ton more room for all your adventure gear. If you want to check out what we put into our newfound space, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that alert button so you can get a notification when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.